Welcome, crochet enthusiasts, to our botanical journey through the world of hooked yarn. Today, we're exploring 51 captivating leaf patterns that will add a touch of nature to your projects. Ready to dive into this lush crochet forest? Let's get started. Strawberry leaf. Imagine a delicate green leaf that perfectly captures the essence of a strawberry plant. This pattern uses light worsted weight cotton to create realistic texture and shape. It's perfect for bookmarks, hair accessories, or even accents on handmade bags. Try using different shades of green to create a natural variegation. Four-leaf clover. This iconic symbol of luck can now be a permanent fixture in your creations. From delicate charms to eye-catching St. Patrick's Day decorations, this pattern is versatile. Experiment with different hook sizes to create clovers of various sizes for different occasions. Sage leaf. Known for its soft, muted tones and unique texture, the sage leaf is beautifully replicated in this crochet pattern. Consider using these as unique napkin rings or create a string of herbal leaves for kitchen decor. A soft gray-green yarn best captures the essence of sage. Cymbidium leaf. Elegant and slender, the cymbidium leaf adds a touch of the exotic to your work. This pattern is perfect for orchid-themed projects like wall hangings or delicate jewelry. Use a yarn with a slight sheen to mimic the smooth surface of real orchid leaves. Tulip leaf. A harbinger of spring, the tulip leaf adds authenticity to your floral-themed creations. This pattern creates leaves with a slight curve, perfect for accompanying crocheted tulip blooms. Consider making a bouquet of ever-blooming tulips for home decor or as a thoughtful gift. Sunflower leaf. This vibrant green leaf carries the essence of sun-soaked fields. Its size and shape are carefully designed to complement crocheted sunflowers. Imagine a vase full of cheerful sunflowers, their green leaves peeking out, bringing a burst of summer into your home. Cordyline terminalis leaf. Long and slender, the cordyline terminalis leaf brings a tropical vibe to your creations. This pattern is perfect for Hawaiian-themed decorations or wall hangings. Try using variegated green yarn to create depth and interest in your leaves. Ginkgo leaf. Famous for its fan-like shape, the ginkgo leaf is beautifully captured in this crochet pattern. It allows you to bring a touch of autumn charm to various projects. Consider creating a ginkgo leaf scarf or an autumn-themed cushion cover. Forget-me-not leaf. These tiny, delicate leaves are perfect for adding subtle details. They work wonderfully as accents on larger projects like sweaters or bags. You could also use them to create dainty jewelry pieces like earrings or brooches. Use the finest hook and yarn for best results. Fern leaf. Fern leaves bring a touch of forest mystery to your work. While the pattern may look complex, it's actually quite approachable. It's perfect for creating woodland-themed wall art or adding texture to blankets. Use a deep green yarn for a dramatic effect. Regular hairpin leaf. This is a very practical leaf pattern that's great for beginners. Its simple shape is effective and quick to work up. These leaves are perfect for decorating hairpins, brooches, or anywhere you need a little embellishment. It's also a great way to use up yarn scraps. Eucalyptus leaf. Known for its distinctive shape and soft, muted tones, the eucalyptus leaf is beautifully captured in this crochet pattern. Consider creating a eucalyptus wreath or adding them to your faux bouquets. A pale blue-green yarn best captures the essence of eucalyptus. Small flower leaf. These tiny leaves add a whimsical touch to your projects. They're perfect for creating delicate jewelry or accenting larger floral works. Try using different shades of green to create a varied, natural look. Rose leaf. Rose leaves add classic elegance to your floral creations. This pattern accurately replicates the serrated edges of rose leaves. They're perfect for pairing with crocheted roses to create realistic bouquets or wreaths. Serrated leaf. This leaf adds a wild touch to your creations. Its jagged edges are perfect for more dramatic plants like dandelions or thistles. Consider using them in autumn or wildlife-themed projects. Rose flower leaf. This is another variation of the rose leaf, with more focus on texture and detail. It's perfect for creating realistic rose plants, complete with stems and leaves. Consider making a full rose bush as a home decor piece. Small sedge leaf. These slender leaves add a meadow-like charm to your work. They're great for creating wildflower-themed projects or as background foliage. Try using different shades of green to create depth. Snow willow leaf. This leaf captures the delicate beauty of winter. Its simple shape is striking when worked in white or pale blue yarn. Consider using it to create winter-themed wreaths or ornaments. Adding a sparkly yarn can enhance the icy effect. Chamomile leaf. Chamomile leaves add a touch of cottage charm to your work. This pattern is both whimsical and sophisticated, perfect for herbal-themed projects. Consider using them in kitchen decor or sachets. Small sunflower leaf. These tiny green gems are perfect for creating miniature gardens or potted plants. They can add realism and depth to your creations. Try using them to decorate hats or headbands for a summery vibe. Multi-flowered leaf. This unique design blends leaf and flower forms. It's perfect for creating imaginative plants or fairy tale themed projects. Consider using it to make unique wall art or children's room decor. Regular hairpin leaf style 2. Another practical leaf design. This one is versatile for many projects. Its simple shape is quick to make and great for mass production. Consider using it to embellish home goods like tablecloths or curtains. Rosa chinensis leaf. This leaf accurately mimics the foliage of China roses, adding authenticity to your rose creations. They're perfect for creating realistic faux bouquets or wreaths. Try using different shades of green to create a natural effect. Cream rose leaf. This is a beginner-friendly pattern that still produces impressive results. It's versatile for various projects, from decorations to clothing accessories. Consider using it to embellish sweaters or create unique jewelry. Hybrid tea rose leaf. This leaf captures the essence of elegant rose foliage. It's perfect for creating high-end faux floral arrangements. Consider using them in wedding decorations or special occasion pieces. Climbing rose leaf. This leaf adds a wild charm to your creations. It's perfect for making vine-like decorations or wreaths. Consider using it to decorate picture frames or create unique wall hangings. Wineglass rose leaf. This elegant leaf design is perfect for rose-themed projects. It can add a touch of sophistication to your work. Consider using it to decorate gift wrapping or create special bookmarks. Rambling rose leaf. This leaf design captures the wild beauty of rambling roses. It's perfect for outdoor-themed projects or rustic decor. Consider using it to embellish hats or create unique garlands. China rose leaf. This leaf embodies the delicate beauty of Eastern floriculture. It's perfect for Asian-themed projects or delicate ornaments. Consider using it to decorate fans or create unique wall art. Lisianthus leaf. Known for its intricate details, this leaf is perfect for high-end floral work. Consider using it to create everlasting bridal bouquets or special gift decorations. Carnation leaf. This leaf perfectly captures the linear form of carnation foliage. It's great for Mother's Day gifts or memorial pieces. Consider using it to decorate photo frames or create unique bookmarks. Pansy leaf. This leaf has a touch of whimsy and playfulness. Its rounded design is perfect for creating cute decorations or children's themed projects. Consider using it to embellish baby blankets or create fun hair accessories. Daisy leaf. This simple, elegant leaf design is perfect for creating cheerful floral arrangements. It can add a touch of spring to your projects. Consider using it to decorate tote bags or create charming headbands. Lily leaf. This elongated leaf design adds a touch of elegance to your work. It's perfect for creating formal occasion decorations or high-end gift wrapping. Consider using it to embellish evening wear or create unique brooches. Hydrangea leaf. This broad, serrated leaf is perfect for creating lush floral arrangements. It can add volume and texture to your projects. Consider using it to create unique pillow covers or wall art. Orchid leaf. This leaf adds an exotic touch to your creations. It's perfect for tropical-themed projects or delicate jewelry. Consider using it to decorate beach bags or create unique earrings. Lavender leaf. This slender leaf design is perfect for creating Provençal-style projects. It can add a hint of fragrance to your work. Consider using it to create sachets or decorate bathroom accessories. Zinnia leaf. This cheerful garden plant leaf is perfect for creating vibrant floral arrangements. It can add bright pops of color to your projects. Consider using it to decorate summer hats or create cheerful garlands. Freesia leaf. This sword-like leaf adds a touch of spring freshness to your work. It's perfect for creating elegant floral compositions. Consider using it to decorate gift cards or create delicate corsages. Morning Glory leaf. This heart-shaped leaf is perfect for creating vine-like decorations. It can add a whimsical touch to your projects. Consider using it to create unique wall hangings or decorate garden-themed accessories. Peruvian daffodil leaf. This long, slender leaf complements daffodil flowers beautifully. It's perfect for creating spring-themed decorations. Consider using it to create Easter wreaths or table centerpieces. Geranium leaf. Known for its distinctive shape, this leaf adds authenticity to your geranium projects. It's perfect for creating potted plant decorations. Consider using it to embellish kitchen linens or create unique coasters. Daffodil leaf. This long, arching leaf brings spring charm to your projects year-round. It's perfect for creating cheerful floral arrangements. Consider using it to decorate spring-themed clothing or create unique bookmarks. Iris leaf. These sword-like leaves are perfect for creating elegant floral compositions. They add a touch of sophistication to your work. Consider using them to create unique wall art or decorate formal wear accessories. California poppy leaf. This delicate, finely divided leaf is perfect for creating wildflower-themed projects. It adds a touch of natural beauty to your work. Consider using it to decorate summer accessories or create unique jewelry pieces. Sunflower leaf. Variation. This broad, slightly pointed leaf is ideal for creating realistic sunflower plants. It adds authenticity to your sunflower arrangements. Consider using it to create unique table runners or decorate garden-themed tote bags. Chrysanthemum leaf. With its deeply serrated edges, this leaf is perfect for autumn-themed projects. It adds texture and interest to your work. Consider using it to create fall wreaths or decorate Thanksgiving table settings. Hyacinth leaf. This long, narrow leaf is perfect for creating spring-inspired crafts. It adds a touch of freshness to your projects. Consider using it to create unique Easter decorations or embellish spring-themed greeting cards. Peony leaf. This delicate, veined leaf adds elegance to your peony arrangements. It's perfect for creating romantic, flower-filled projects. Consider using it to decorate wedding accessories or create beautiful wall hangings. Moth orchid leaf. This broad, elongated leaf is perfect for exotic floral designs. It adds a tropical touch to your creations. Consider using it to create unique room dividers or decorate beach-themed accessories. Dianthus leaf. This linear, precise leaf is ideal for carnation family flower projects. It adds a touch of formal elegance to your work. Consider using it to create unique boutonnieres or decorate special occasion cards.